Hello everyone, our title is The Promotion Strategy of Customer Satisfaction and Loyalty in E-commerce Industry, User-Centered. Our teammates are Hu Yao, Chen Yuting, Li Tianwen, Wang Dan, Miao Zuoran, Jiang Guoqiong. We will talk about the content in three parts. The first one, introduction. The second one, literature review. The third, methodology. And in introduction, we have 5 small parts. Background of the study, research problem, research questions, meaning, definition of key terms. With the development of mobile internet and communication technology, mobile e-commerce shows explosive growth. More and more people are starting to use mobile apps for shopping. E-commerce mobile app is an important way to purchase. One of the biggest advantages of e-commerce mobile apps is convenience. Users can make purchases at any time and any place. According to eMarketer Insider Intelligence 2023, mobile commerce sales really boomed during 2020, growing by 18% from the previous year, which can be attributed to COVID-19 and more people shopping online. In order to improve user satisfaction and loyalty, companies need to improve the conversion rate. It is necessary to focus on users and explore the factors that affect user satisfaction and thus user loyalty of e-commerce apps. As for research problem, online businesses are unable to fully maintain competitive advantages and identify the factors that affect e-commerce more apples and customer loyalty. According to this 2001, they had the degree of trust, they had the degree of loyalty. However, the relationship is complex. Customers are satisfied when their needs, desires, and expectations are met. If the customer is dissatisfied and lacks trust in the e-commerce mall app provider, he or she will turn to other e-commerce mall apps. This study aims to investigate the determinants of e-commerce apps that affect customer satisfaction and loyalty. This work established a research model to show the influence of search facility, responsiveness, and multimedia capability on customer loyalty, and the mediating role of customer satisfaction. There are 4 research questions. What key elements constitute the quality of e-commerce apps? How does the quality of e-commerce apps impact customer satisfaction? How does customer satisfaction translate into higher loyalty? How does e-commerce app quality impact customer loyalty through customer satisfaction? This study has 3 meanings. The first, expanding market theory. We can deepen our understanding of real market theories, including consumer behavior and market interaction patterns in the digital age. Deepening customer relationship theory helps to understand the dynamics of customer relationship in the digital environment. 3. Practical significance. Optimize business strategy, reduce operational risks, and provide practical guidance to the enterprises. For the definition of key terms, e-commerce app is a software program that allows users to purchase and sell goods or services online. When it comes to customer loyalty, brand loyalty reflects a customer's likelihood of switching to another brand, especially when that brand changes its price, features, communications, or distribution programs. Customer satisfaction is the overall happiness a customer feels when interacting with a company's products and services. User experience refers to all aspects of an end user's interaction with a company, its services, and its products. It encompasses meeting the exact needs of the customer efficiently and simply, creating products that are enjoyable to own and use.
In this section of the lecture review, we will talk about customer loyalty and e-commerce application and consumer satisfaction. We began with a comprehensive review of the lecture on the consumer loyalty in e-commerce. Customer loyalty in e-commerce. This section critical exams and theoretical constructs and empirical finding of the leading scholars such as Coral and Wei and Chen, like people turning telecommunications code detail to trend production. A data mining approach. We dissect the biological and the behavioral dimensions of the customer loyalty, highlighting its rigors in digital engagement strategies and their implication for long-term customer relationships in digital markets. Our next focus is the critical assessment of the quality of the e-commerce application. We look at the performance survey quality model and its analytical examination of the adaptability of digital platforms. Our discussion extends the survey perform model and compares it with the evolving digital quality metrics. The analysis not only examines the dimensions of the application quality, but also explores the alignment of these models with the improving user experience and operational efficiency in e-commerce environments. Now, let's talk about the satisfaction, where we critically examine the relationship between the customer's satisfaction and return on investment. We evaluate the relationship between the customer satisfaction and business performance based on the quantitative measures proposed by scholars such as Anderson's people, urban markets, and industry restructuring, and hence people dependence of the company's reputations and the quality of the customer relations. This review focuses on the empirical validations of these metrics and their correlation with service quality and customer loyalty. In our concluding section, we synthesize the interactions between the application quality, customer satisfaction, and loyalty by integrating the finding of the extensive lecture review. This instance not only highlights the interrelated nature of these constructs, but also suggests the avenues for the future research. We emphasize the need for continuous innovation in e-commerce strategy to promote customer loyalty and satisfaction, paving the way to the future academic research. Thanks.
Hello everyone, today I will share about study the model. Let's look at figure 1. It depicts the conceptual framework of the research for this project. The conceptual framework shows that the dependent variables are customer loyalty, and the independent variables are search facility, responsiveness, and multimedia capability. The immediate variable is customers' satisfaction, and age, gender, and time spent per month are the control variables. This section is divided into 4 parts. The first one, hypothesis summary, based on a literature review of the relationships among dependent variables, independent variables, and mediating variables. A hypothesis for each connection is proposed. The hypothesis for this research project will be listed as follows. H1. Search tools positively affect customer satisfaction. H2. Responsiveness positively affects customer satisfaction. H3. Multimedia capability positively affects customer satisfaction. H5. Customer satisfaction plays an intermediary role between search tools and customer loyalty. H6. Customer satisfaction plays an intermediary role between responsiveness and customer loyalty. H7. Customer satisfaction plays an intermediary role between multimedia capability and customer loyalty. The section 1. Effect of e-commerce website system quality on customer satisfaction. The system quality of an e-commerce website plays a crucial role in influencing customers' satisfaction. A high-quality e-commerce website system positively influences customers' satisfaction by providing a reliable, user-friendly, and secure environment for their online shopping experiences, meeting customer expectations in terms of performance, usability, and support can lead to increased trust, loyalty, and positive reviews, ultimately benefiting the overall success of the e-commerce business. The third one, effect of customer satisfaction on customers' loyalty. Customer satisfaction plays a key role in the
quality of e-commerce app systems to ensure customers' loyalty. Customers can express their loyalty by continuing to buy the product and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. When customers are satisfied with a product or service, they tend to show their loyalty by continuing to buy that product or service. Not only that, they will also recommend this satisfaction to their relatives and friends, bringing more potential customers to the e-commerce app. The last one, the mediating role of customer satisfaction. Efficient search tools are vital for those who frequently visit large and complex websites. They save time and provide accurate and relevant results. This significantly enhances users' overall satisfaction with the platform, which in turn translates into loyalty towards the platform. Based on this, we propose the following hypothesis. Customer satisfaction mediates between search tools and customer loyalty. In the e-commerce environment, swift and effective response mechanism enhance customer experience, save time, reduce hassle, and build trust and satisfaction with the brand, thereby translating into loyalty towards the brand. Based on this, we propose the following hypothesis. Customer satisfaction has a mediating role between responsiveness and customer loyalty. Multimedia elements like images, audio, and video are crucial in presenting product features, satisfying users' informational and sensory needs, significantly increasing overall customer satisfaction. When customers feel emotional and informational fulfillment from using these diverse multimedia contents, their dependence on the loyalty to the platform will accordingly increase. Based on this, we propose the following hypothesis. Customer satisfaction mediates between multimedia capability and customer loyalty.
Hello, Professor. My name is Miao Zhuoran. The chapter I'm going to introduce is math method. In this research project, we will go into the rigor of study design, questionnaire structure, questionnaire testing, and revision. In addition, we will carefully study the target population and sample selection, service implementation strategies, data collection and management questionnaires, and data analysis method. The decision was made to use the questionnaire method because of its rapid response and high cost effectiveness, which allowed us to obtain a lot of valuable information. For this study, we carefully curated an online service, cleverly designed and complete a questionnaire. We ensure that the questionnaire accurately reflects our research objectives and needs. With the help of professional software, we have built a comprehensive set of online questionnaires. Make sure that the sample size allows us to do the data analysis later. In order to be able to communicate with the target respondents, we harness the power of social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and WeChat to disseminate those carefully designed online service links far and wide. Besides on the number of users on the platform, we are able to have access to respondents from all backgrounds. This study aims to explore the impact of e-commerce app system on customers, where the impact of quality on customers is determined by the corresponding standards. The degree of disparity in customer satisfaction is at a moderate level. In this context, this chapter reveals the degree of respondents' perception of the quality of e-commerce app system by showing the average score and variance. More critically, customer satisfaction is used as a medium to delve into its far-reaching impact on customer loyalty. This study delves into the thematic relationship between customers and e-commerce platforms through a well-designed questionnaire. The questionnaire first leads us to explore the sample stages in order to more accurately divide the customer group, and then tailor strategies for them to improve satisfaction. In the progress of analysis, we use a series of indicators to reveal customers' platform preferences and engagement frequency. This data gives us an indication of the effectiveness of user touchpoints. In this way, we are able to understand the needs and expectation of customers more comprehensively and accurately, so as to create a better shopping experience for them.
Now what I'm talking about is this part is the structure of the questionnaire. The questionnaire uses a Lecter 5 scale to measure each item, ranging from 1-4 strongly disagree to 5-4 strongly agree. The first one is respondents' basic information, provide the basic data on consumer gender, age, education level, social status, and income level. The basis for segmenting the population and identifying unique behavioral patterns among different user groups. This section includes 6 questions. The second one is personal characteristics, aims to determine personal characteristics of users, especially whether they use shopping apps. The third one is e-commerce platform quality, evaluate the technical robustness and operational efficiency of an e-commerce platform by exploring various aspects of its defining components. These include 8 questions about user interface, privacy protection, and transaction reliable, which are critical to safe and satisfying online shopping experience. The fourth one is service quality. It contains 6 questions that link tangible service delivery with intangible user satisfaction and value, and ask questions around how suitable and likable the design and service of the e-commerce platform are for consumers. The fifth one is consumer satisfaction. It contains 3 questions to directly score the products and service of the e-commerce platform. The result is the combined impact of the first 4 parts. The sixth one is consumer loyalty, predicting the impact of user satisfaction on their propensity to continue patronizing and advocating. The questionnaire for this research project used self-administration techniques, gender, age, respondent occupation, and frequently visit websites as variables measured using nominal scales in the questionnaire of this research project. Nominal scales are used to classify variables without numerical values, while age and income are measured using generic scales. General scales are used to quantify variables by ranking and ranking them. The pretext phase of this survey will include a sample size of 30 participants. It is divided into 2 parts, expert review and the focus group. The focus groups are randomly selected from 25 focus groups with experience in online shopping. The focus will use retrospective connective interviews. The population sample selected for this study will be the online shopping population, and a random sample is large enough to draw conclusions and prevent sampling bias or variation. G-power is a statistic program used to perform a power analysis to estimate the minimum sample size required for this study. G-power showed that the minimum sample size required for this study was 98. Therefore, the recommended sample size for this study is 100, with at least 100 participants collected from the internet. In order to deeply explore the strategy to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty in the e-commerce industry, this study designed a special online questionnaire. In order to ensure the diversity and the breadth of data, we choose to distribute the service through various social media platforms such as WeChat, Weibo, Facebook, and WhatsApp, aim to gain comprehensive and in-depth market insights. In this study, the primary method of data collection is through online surveys to ensure the quality and reliability of the collected data. The questionnaire incorporates various question types facilitating analysis and interpretation. The advantages of online survey methodology lie in its efficiency, convenience, and cost-effectiveness. Moreover, to safeguard participant privacy, all survey responses will remain anonymous, and the participation is entirely voluntary.
My name is Will. In this section, I will introduce data conclusion management and analysis. Firstly, data conclusion. The study generated data through online servers. crafted after diving deeper into research questions about consumer satisfaction, loyalty, and user experience in the world of e-commerce. And then data management. The service has a mix of questions to make sure we get reliable info. We win with online servers because they are quick, easy, and cost-effective. We are sharing the server's link across Google Forms to research more people. Don't worry about privacy. Your responses are anonymous, and joining in is totally up to you, making it super easy for everyone to take part. Data analysis method refers to the systematic process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and molding data to extract useful information, drives conclusions, and supports decision-making. Here are the steps for data analysis. Firstly, data screening. Data screening extracts a server state meeting conditions from a large data set, focusing on high potential data for effective analysis. The study used information statistics to inform overall data distribution and characteristics. Secondly, data simply. Simple random simply issue equal chance in quaternary distribution, overall data estimation, including central tendency, derived from simply data. The simplest means approximately the population means. Thirdly, data deviation. Corrected simple may resemble the population, but simple deviation persist. Minimize bias involves increasing the sample size with limits for accurate results. Adjustive selectives, former complexes, and the same issue in e-commerce app quality study. Weighting methods in data analysis issue accuracy and reliability, and then parametric estimation, including point estimates and interval estimates. The statistical analysis is divided into two parts: evaluation of measurement models and evaluation of structure models. Firstly, evaluation of measured model. When assessing the factor analysis model in SPSS, it's all about examining how factors are connected, the amount of variance they accounting for, and whether there are any collinearity variable alpha checking the internal consistency, and we verify validity. Sometimes the residual issue the model fit well. If necessary, adjustments may be made, such as tweaking factor loading or reconsidering factor based on the results. And then evaluation of structural models. When you are dealing with factor analysis model in SPSS, you are basically checking how factors connect, making sure the model fits well, and testing reliability. If you need to tweaking the model, you will keep it simple, align it with theory, and look at the indicator like AIC or BIC, and those robustness tests. They are to make sure the model stays strong and working across difficult simplicity. Thank you.